Hi, this is Sapphire Toy Shop, very big in Bengaluru, Richmond Road. Let me take you in. Please come. Please come in. I am at Sapphire, ये Bangalore में Richmond Road पे है, very famous toy shop, and so I'll just take you around. So whenever you're in Bangalore, you want to buy toys, do come to Sapphire, which is at Richmond Road. How many floors do you have? How many floors do you have?
Sir, only ground floor, sir.
अच्छा, but it's very nice. Loads of variety. So please come. So this section starts for the girls, ladies के लिए, and you can see all beautiful Barbies and all, loads of varieties of Barbies. And then here we have some small little gift items like keychains and fridge magnets, small issue for girls, blasters, gift wrap for and so I like you to show so you can see the variety of small little bikes and for all ages from. So here we go. So here we are. You can have some. Let me juggle some balls. So there are variation with balls. And lots of colorful things. Here you go. And see there are small tiny for the tiny tots and some intelligent games. यहाँ पे कुछ games हैं जो intelligent हैं, some Scrabbles and some brain games for the kids for their development. Some bags, colorful bags and some gift wrap. So here are some lot of noodles, Chinese checker, lot of, in our time there was nothing like that. So school bags for the girls especially, tiny girls and the boys. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Small home kind racing car and all. Some wooden puzzles. Then we have some variation of animals. So here you can see the whole thing. यहाँ पे भी है. You can see the entire store. There are loads and loads of variety. And for the young toddlers, for their education, writing, alphabets, for sketches. So here, this aisle has ABCD, EFGS, lunch boxes, and this is for the writing and scrubbing. There we go. Then we have some different varieties of jalebi. So you can see here. And some for the kids cleaning store. What is it? Your name क्या? So we have Om here. Om जो यहाँ काम करते हैं. So where are you from?
Assam.
Assam से है Om. His name is Thapa. So Om Thapa जी बताओ ये सब for the dresses for the girls and the boys.
Yeah,
Newborn babies. We have some Johnson products. Then we have some trolley bags. Then you can have some balls. Then we have some cricket stuff here for the kids to play. Here we go. Some cradles. I feel like going inside and rote hue. I want to sleep in the bed. This is from the children cradle. This is the baby chair. This is for the study tables for the kids. Little basketballing. So they have loads of variety, and you can show the cars. There are cars and variation of different cars, with battery cars. And here we go. We have some skates for the kids. Lots of varieties of cars. Some guitar, music, piano, playing, music, guitar. Then again we have some pianos here. Small little toys, some guns, variety of guns for the kids. Some helicopters, tanks, JVC, bulldozers, trucks. So loads of variety they have. We do have यहाँ पे this one also, dinosaur. So we have dinosaurs. What is this? T-Rex. So so when you come to the kids show, you also become a kid. So you can see bikes, cars, a lot of variations, varieties, different budget also. The budget is also not bad. Can you show them? Hello? शिवाजी नगर कितना दिखा रहा है, इधर भी देखना है. So see the drones operations, and this is the cash counter. So you pay the bill, you paid the bill, and you bought something. This is what a sticker is. So thank you very much. It was wonderful shopping. We have our friend Anurag Gupta ji. And you are the manager. What is the name? Sami ji hai, Anurag Gupta ji hai, and on camera is Mr. Giridev, director साहब को मैंने कैमरा में लगाया. So thank you guys. This was wonderful. And whenever you are in Bangalore, you want to buy toys, do come to Sapphire at. कहाँ आपका? How many?
We have one at Rishwar Road, another one at Koramangala, Sony Center.
So one is Sony Center and one is Rishwar Road. Rishwar Road we are here. Sony Center is Koramangala. That's all. Loads of varieties. Take care. Ciao.